In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Indian GST on Shopify, including setting up CGST, SGST, and IGST. For our viewers who operate their stores in India, correctly managing GST is crucial to ensure your business runs smoothly and remains in compliance with the local tax laws. In this video, we'll walk through a simple process to integrate GST into your Shopify billing. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Settings section of your Shopify admin. You can find this on the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. Once there, look for the Billing option on the list. Clicking on Billing will take you to the area where you manage all your financial records, transactions, and expenses. This is the starting point for inputting your GST information. From the Billing section, go to your Billing profile. This profile holds your store's critical billing information, allowing you to update or amend details as required. Here, you'll locate the Tax ID section. This is crucial for our purpose today, as it is where you'll add your GST identification number, or GSTIN. Once you find the Tax ID area, you'll see the option to add your GSTIN. Click on Add GSTIN, and a new entry field will appear for you to input this important number. The GSTIN is a unique 15-digit code that verifies your business's registration under GST regulations. Carefully enter the 15-digit number assigned to your business. Double-check the number for accuracy, since errors can lead to complications with tax filing and compliance. After entering the correct GSTIN, you'll click the Add GSTIN button to confirm the addition of your GST information to the billing profile. Once added, this GSTIN will be associated with your business transactions processed through Shopify. Keep in mind that thoroughly checking this step ensures that you remain compliant with the tax submissions and are able to avail any potential input tax credit options. With that done, you've successfully added GST to your Shopify store. This setup will automatically apply GST to your sales transactions based on the applicable regional GST rules, including CGST, SGST, and IGST. As you continue selling, Shopify will use these settings to correctly calculate and charge taxes on each sale, which benefits both you and your customers by providing transparent and rightful tax charges. Remember that keeping your tax information up to date is essential, as it not only helps in maintaining compliance with tax laws, but also aids in smooth financial auditing. If you have any doubts or require further assistance, Shopify's Help Center and community forums are excellent resources for more information. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps streamline your business processes. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips and tricks.